Samsung was getting called boring for playing it safe with foldables. But now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just shut those critics down by becoming the thinnest foldable phone in the world. And trust me, this isn't just another incremental upgrade. Samsung's going back to the drawing board, and things are about to get exciting. It all started a few months ago when leaks dropped early renders. At first glance, the Z Fold 7 looked a lot like the Fold 6. Nothing crazy. But then, we saw the thickness. Samsung's foldables have never been this slim. Early leaks claimed the Fold 7 would measure just 9.5 millimeters when folded. That's 2.6 millimeters thinner than the Z Fold 6, a massive jump for foldables. But then, another leaker said, "Nope, think thinner." They dropped a bombshell, 8.2 millimeters. If true, that would make it the thinnest foldable ever. And then, Ice Universe, one of the most trusted leakers, stepped in with the real numbers. Turns out, both were wrong. The actual thickness, 8.9 millimeters folded, and just 3.9 millimeters unfolded. Let that sink in. A USB-C port is about 2.56 millimeters thick. We're hitting the physical limits of how thin a phone can be, unless companies ditch ports altogether. And let's be real, that's not happening soon. This feels like Samsung's cold, clever reply to Honor, who's been mocking their chunky foldables. Not only could the Z Fold 7 beat Honor, it might even dethrone the Oppo Find N5, the current thinnest foldable champ. Now, what's the catch? Yep, the battery. Recent certifications confirm the Z Fold 7 keeps the same 4,272 mAh dual-cell setup, marketed as 4,400 mAh. Sound familiar? Because Samsung's been doing this since the Fold 3. Here's the irony. The Z Fold 2 still holds the record for the largest battery in a Samsung foldable. And get this, the tiny Z Flip 7, its battery is only 100 mAh smaller. But before you groan, recent tests show Samsung's optimization is working. The Z Fold 6 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 held its own against rivals like the Oppo Find N5 with the newer 8 Gen 4. And leaks hint the Fold 7 will deliver even better screen on time. So, while Samsung skipped flashy upgrades like silicon carbon batteries, probably still haunted by the Note 7 fiasco, their software magic is picking up the slack. Bottom line, the Z Fold 7 is finally bringing upgrades we've begged for. Thinner design, smarter engineering, and real-world battery gains. Want to see every single change in detail? Stick around. We've got the full breakdown coming up next. This is Atif Official, and I'll see you there.